Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn your image into anime. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Lately, photos that have been turned into Studio Gilby style animation have been circulating on social media. These animated photos can be created using AI or artificial intelligence technology. So, how to turn in a photo into animations? It's so simple. So, first of all, you can open your browser and you can search for ChatGPT. You can, if you want to generate image, you need to log in into your account. You can log in into ChatGPT using your email. After that, you can add image that you want to edit. You can click, tap on plus icon in here. You can choose your photo from your library. You can just choose on the photos. For example, I will choose photos from my phone. Okay, wait. And it's free. To edit your photo into animation, it's free. Wait, I will choose this photo. Now, you can just ask for the chat GPT to turn this image. Turn this image to Kilby animation. Can send it. Now, all we need to do is just waiting. Can wait until ChatGPT finish edit your turn your picture into animations. Okay, and here you go. Here's your animated videos that you just create. You can download it by tap on the image and download image. It's a cool and very simple, right? And it's free. So that is how to turn your image into animation using AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.